Good morning, guys. Leanne here on GradysMom. I'm starting a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. If you're new here, I do have an entire playlist of these videos from over the years, so I'll link it in the description box below, as well as in the end card of this video. So today I'm giving Matt a kiwi strawberry Snapple, a Hello water in the mixed berry. This is the fiber infused, 0 sugar with 5 grams of fiber. Water again in the mixed berry flavor. In addition, I always give him a water cooler. We had tacos over the past couple days, so I made a taco salad with some romaine, arugula, taco meat, some cheese, some avocado. There's a bunch of stuff in there, guys. Olives, tomatoes, and then I did give him some salsa and sour cream to put on top of the salad. It is a really good size salad. I did some pumpkin muffins for my food prep this week. I will link that video down below. So I have the pumpkin muffins, a little Reese peanut butter cup, and then some fruit that I did for fruit prep this week as well. Some cut up strawberries and cut up green grapes. And this is his lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a super easy lunch. I'm giving him a San Pellegrino. This is the clementine flavor sparkling drink, a Siggy's strawberry whole milk shake, or yeah, I guess it would be a shake, and of course the water cooler as always. The wrap I made on the jalapeno cheddar wrap. This one has hard salami, some of that cheddar pepperoni, some arugula, and then some alfalfa sprouts with some spicy mustard, a small thing of grapes. These grapes are so good, this particular batch. A couple more of the pumpkin muffins. Matt really liked these yesterday. And then a chocolate pretzel nut, sweet and salty granola bar. And this is lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Canada Dry Blackberry Ginger Ale, one of the Hello Waters in the mixed berry flavor. I made a salad today on a bed of romaine, and then I put a little bit of this, a little bit of that like I normally do. So today has some different tomatoes, some shredded carrot, some alfalfa sprouts, some shredded cheese, some craisins, and I believe there's cucumber hiding. And I did give him some raspberry vinaigrette dressing. And I'm giving him an extra large sweet and salty pretzel, peanut, and chocolate granola bar. And then 2 of these little mini Entenmann's pecan tarts. They're really small because you guys know pecan tarts are really filling. And this bar is huge. But anyways, this is his lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow. Morning, guys. It's Thursday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Hello Water. You guys know, if you've seen my lunch videos lately, I'm obsessed with these. This one is the pineapple coconut. I've actually tried all the flavors they offer now. I ordered some on Amazon, and the company also sent me a variety pack as well, and I absolutely love them. I do have a one-time coupon code for Amazon, which I'll leave in the description box down below if you want to order some of this on Amazon. But this is the pineapple coconut. I'm also giving him a Siggy's. This is the Swedish style whole milk yogurt smoothie in blueberry. And then I packed up the Yum Box today, so I did some bacon Cheez-Its, some cut up sliced strawberries, some English cucumber, and some tricolor little cherry tomatoes, some hard-boiled eggs with some everything but the bagel seasoning on them from Trader Joe's. I did put a few little pumpkin candy corns in there. He probably won't even eat them. I don't think he's a huge pumpkin fan, or candy corn fan, excuse me. And then I have some pepperoni and sharp Cracker Barrel or Cabot sharp cheddar in there as well. And this is lunch today in the Yum Box. And then in addition, I'm giving him a extra large sweet and salty. This is the chewy granola bar in the pretzel, peanut, and chocolate, and these are huge. He said he usually has one of these in the morning, and he said it's pretty much fills him up until lunch. I might go ahead and throw in a banana as well. Actually, I'll probably do that right now. Just in case. But yes, this is lunch today. We'll see you guys tomorrow on Friday. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. We made it to the end of the week. Today I'm giving Matt a blackberry ginger ale, one of the Hello Waters in the lemon lime flavor, which is really good as well. For his main event today, I gave him a salad. I put a ton of different stuff in here. I put arugula, romaine, I put some purple cabbage, which is kind of hiding if you can see a little bit, a hard-boiled egg, some broccoli, some olives, some sugar snap peas, some tomatoes, some carrot, a ton of different things. And then I put some raspberry vinaigrette dressing in here. It's like a pretty pink color. Also giving him some Entenmann's pumpkin muffins. He loves these. A big thing of strawberries as well. And then some teriyaki beef jerky from Oscar's Smokehouse in this bag. But yes, this is lunch today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's lunches. There is an entire playlist of these videos that I'm going to link down below as well as up here in the left. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video.